This is how plywood is made from a solid log. It starts off at this very specific milling machine and cuts thin slices out of the log. The sheets are then sent to a drying oven. A thin layer of glue is applied on each ply layer. Then it's compression time. Then it's final inspection and filling of the holes. Then I come into play. It's my turn now to play with the wood and do fancy things like... So there's the 4 drawers, the 2 big ones, 2 skinny doors for over there. Those big ones,